Actually, at 33 and a half, you do the math now. He's averaged 32, 7, and 9. That's far beyond 33 and a half. So even Vegas knows don't play with it when the pressure's on. We just want a chiller vibe. And that brings me to Chicago, the Windy City. Ice Trey has averaged 20 and 12 against the Bulls. I predict that this is going to be a high scoring affair. Light shine brightest. He did it in Madison Square Garden. He can do it in Chicago. Ice Trey going for a double double. He's going to fluff his wings a bit and take off soaring for the sky. Say that a hero can save us. Not gonna stand in the way. Tyler Hero. My boy is going over 24 and a half when it comes to points and assists. Give me all those. Yes, sir. Tyler Hero. All day, every day. People be sleep on Kobe White, man. He's definitely going over 19 and a half points. He got plenty of opportunities to shoot it. Great score for the Bulls. It's an all-white party, baby. It's a hit or miss. They say make a miss leave. And for Clay and CJ, it was a lot of missing, unfortunately, yesterday. We're going to go into our X2O parlay, right? This is my best money making play, and I'm finna shimmy shake like Trey. I like Miami on the run line. Yes, they, beating Miami without Joel Embiid. With that being said, those 5.5 points is apparently a little too much. So, hey, thanks for the juice. Thanks for the extra, Vegas. Say Murray is going over 23 and a half points. Bogus ain't bogus. 16 and a half points, he's going over for sure. Also, I'm looking at Jaime Jaquez for the Miami Heat going over 6.5 points. Give me all six of those. I don't sleep on you. It's not the Rose, but it's still Rose in. On the court, giving his all. That's what he does, heart and soul, all game, all day, every day. Don't matter